this machine in front of us is a Platin with a queen bed at the back. It's integrated 8400 QD. Price is 177,564. 858 centimeters long, 230 wide. It's got an internal height of 323, 5.5 tons, and it's got 203 centimeters of standing height internally. It's got plenty of storage, not only from the outside, as you can see, but also in the double floor, which we won't be seeing because there's a carpet here, and I won't be taking the carpet up. The carpet's been put here to protect the floor. You see, it says there, big drawer for place for keeping shoes in the double floor. So you don't have to keep shoes in here anymore. Right, so I've got this carpet down here to protect the floor, but if you live in the UK, you can have a UK pack, which includes, amongst other things, a carpet. And the UK pack, you get a microwave, £2,750 it costs, and has lots of other things which I'll point out as I'm walking around the van. It's on Mercedes Sprinter basis. What's that say? Was kan ik voor Sie tun? No, it's nicer than Norfolk, really. I'll have to turn that off. Right, was möchten Sie tun? Nothing. Nicht. Nicht. I think it's understood. Don't know. We'll see. Right, so you got on the driver's side there's a door. On this side there's a sideboard. In the UK you'd have a driver's side on the right hand side. Front you've got the electric blind that comes down, and here you've got an electric bed above the above the cockpit, the whatever you call it, where the driving passenger sits. I learnt a new word today. It's couch to couch. At least that's what they call it in German. I thought it was a couch, a layout, face to face. Okay, that's what this is. That table comes out a bit, and you pull it, and there's a bit in there. It's an extra 28 centimeters, something like that, which will make it wider, which that could come in handy. Right, up here, sink, and you've got two. Away. There's a bin for your potato peelings or your carrots or whatever. Got two burners there. Burner number 3 is there. That's quite useful, I feel. I mean, not many. Normally, most companies just go on copying each other, but nobody's really done that. That's highly useful as a way of giving yourself more space, particularly if you don't need 3 burners, as most of us tend not to need 3. Well, depends what you're doing, of course. Okay. Frankia builds largely to order. That's to say, you see something, you say, I'll have one of them, but I want this, that and the other. I'll show you how this works. This is what another company called, I think it was Rapido, called a private bathroom. I've used the word dressing room in the past, but it can only be a dressing room if you've got some clothes, like some place to keep your clothes in. Let's see how big it is. Mind you, it's a pretty big van, so there's plenty of space to do things like this. Right, so and there you've got. It's a bit close, isn't it? I think that's too close, in my opinion. that is in the right position as well. You know, sometimes I might set something up but done it wrong. Oh, the point what I was wanting to demonstrate is how big it is in here. Right, well, you got the toilet in there. There's me. Lots of room here. Lots of room to get dressed in if you had the wardrobe in here. Okay, queen bed's electrical. You can get up higher, lower, depending how much space you need in the garage and how easy you want access to the bed. Oh, it's a really big drawer, considerably let down by the lack of sides to it. What a waste. What a waste of space. See if they've done the same mistake. Well, I think it's a mistake, you mind. No, that's about okay, because this is not. Yeah, because no, there's a bit. Yeah, a couple of centimeters extra could have done. Right. Okay. You've got wardrobes on either side. Ah, that's. I won't show that again. So I didn't show it very well. You see, this thing here comes forwards and backwards. That's good. Look, I'll show it again. There you go. In, out. You see, your clothes come to you. Much better, eh? And so easy to do. Right, electrical bed's in this position. You've got in a sitting up position. You can have it. It can come out as well. Give you, yeah. If you need more space. Oh, and this is very comfortable seat here, and this step. Well, I could just sit here all day. This is so comfortable. Hey, and watch the television when you have to get into bed. Alright, so you got the air conditioning unit up there. The fridge here, look, it's magic. And it's magic because it opens on both sides. You've got a coffee corner here. You've got the coffee machine, works off batteries probably. Oh, and it has to get plugged in there. If it runs off shore power, then I don't think it's a particularly good idea. It's only going to work on shore power, isn't it? Unless it's connected via the inverter. Anyway, I have to use my kitchen appliances via an inverter because you're not going to get them on. You want to get a mixer, for example, on 12 volts. There are coffee makers on 12 volts, but I don't suppose they're much good. I don't know. I mean, maybe they're fantastic. I'm just making assumptions. See how long it takes for the thing to go off. Oh well, no it won't. It'll go off in its own time. Frankia is owned by the French group Pilote, who have the next stand here. Oops, it's not closed. Check that, it's not really coming. Oh, it is. Oh no, it isn't, sorry. No, it is now. What do you think of the outer colour? So, what do you think? Any good or not really? Write your comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you find any value in what I do, please do consider sponsoring me on Patreon, and do subscribe to this channel.